Okay, this is super simple. When you have this thing set down, the back is going to be over here. You start by just unscrewing this until it's loose. It should just dangle when it's loose. It's not going to come all the way out. Then what you're going to do is you're going to basically slide the top cover and the front faceplate off as one piece. So you just kind of push down and forward, comes right out. Then you can lift this off. Just set this aside. Your CMOS battery is right there. You don't actually have to move any components. If you do have another card here, you may need to unscrew this to get it out of the way and have access to that. Otherwise, you just push this little tab right here, the only metal tab in this ring. You press it outwards as far as it can go. And what's going to happen, you may want to use a pen, but if you push it far enough, the battery comes all the way up. You can just kind of wiggle your way in there and pull it out. Just to show you what it is going to be a CR2032. So when you put it back in, you do the same thing. You put it back just the way you got this one out. The no marking side goes on the bottom, and the one with the numbers goes on the top. So you just kind of wedge it in to where the side closest to the front over here goes down, and then you just push it in like that. Then you're done. If you notice here, you have tabs that wind up sliding in to the chassis. So what you want to do is, you notice where the gaps are. You just kind of put this back, line it up to where this black part is just inside of this. Makes it easiest to visualize. Then it should be flat. Push backwards. Screw this in until it stops moving. It doesn't have to be over tightened. And then you're done.